Did you lose track of your target?
Pay attention to where you're going.
You have to be careful when you're standing in the middle of the road. Vehicles are dangerous, even the ones with 2 wheels. Did you think I was behind you? Look up. I'm upstairs. Right across from you, to be exact. It was a coincidence. As soon as the consultation ended, the old man took me to the balcony. His flower is sick. He wanted me, the doctor, to treat it. It wouldn't have been appropriate to interrupt you. I was originally planning to wait nearby after the call ended. I suppose we should thank the Wanderer for making you stop right in front of me. Understood. The car and the driver are yours. I didn't play any of them. Plans always change, and so there was something else to do. You haven't seen it happen, but you speak as if you witnessed it before. If we're doing an activity together, I can put it on my schedule. It'll be the highest priority. This is an exam question for a kindergartner. I always got perfect scores. If I was the one who lost, what would you say to me? Losing in a game and shedding tears aren't on my resume. All right. Fortunately, I happen to have all the planners from my childhood. Many of them should be related to games. Work often starts at that time. You took your time and chose archery in the end. Why? I can see you're confident in your skills. In that case, let's play for one round. Perfect. But when you're using a toy bow, you need to adjust your strength and posture. You'll get better results that way. Move your hand up. Keep your posture in mind. Don't look at me. Look at the target. I wasn't asking you to do anything. At best, I was afraid I wouldn't do well. I can't let that happen. I'm already looking forward to next time. You don't need to rush. Let's check the items at the workshop. Perhaps we'll come up with a new design. Huh? I don't remember. Perhaps I wasn't thinking about it too much. No. If it was an assignment, I certainly would have completed it. You start with the sketch and cut the paper. I'll deal with the other materials. Give me your hand. Indeed. I hope we don't see each other again in the new year, my dear patient. Not yet. Put these on. Then we can continue. Of course, there will be another note as well. On an unspecified date, I have sown childhood memories with her. It's crowded. Hold my hand and don't get lost. The event you spoke of only has a 50% chance of occurring. Whether or not you'll be pushed closer to me also has a 50% chance of occurring. We could call it that. However, it's not ready to be revealed to the world yet. So for now, it can only be between me and you. The lanterns are more captivating. People only look at what they want to see. Now can you see clearly? It doesn't matter anymore. Right now, I believe having a few regrets isn't that bad. Of course. Now, I don't have any regrets. I'm not hungry. Yes. I did. I already scheduled a dentist appointment. It's in several days. That won't happen again. Starting today, I'll refrain from eating sweets. For now. Is this all that's left? By the window, to the right of the sofa, or in the corner? Where do you want me to hang it? You're wrong about that, I'm afraid. We'll have many experiences like this in the future, as well as plenty of souvenirs to serve as mementos. In short, I still have plenty of Link on New Year's plans that are waiting to be reviewed and refined.